Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Whizz Kids Online. My name is Amarachi and today we are going to be making a parachute. So what you're going to need 4 pieces of string. You're going to need scissors to cut the string and make sure you have a grown-up helping you with that. You're going to need a small toy or a small weight, and today I'm going to be using a small sheet. You're also going to need a plastic bag with the handles cut off and holes punched in each of the corners. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to attach my sheep to the plastic bag. So I'm going to put the string through the hole that I've already made. And you want to make sure that the string is tied nice and firm so it doesn't come undone. And I'm just going to do it on this side as well. And just tie that right there. Cool, awesome. So now that that's all nice and secure, we're going to need some height. So you can either stand from a high place or you can throw the parachute up. But today I'm going to be standing from a high place and I am going to be dropping it. So basically what happened was the small toy was pulling down on the strings and it's opening up the surface area of the plastic bag and it's being dropped slowly using air resistance. So essentially, the bigger the surface area or the plastic bag, the slower the drop will be. So you can try this out with different sizes of plastic bags and you can test to see how slow they drop. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me on another episode of Whizz Kids Online. I hope you have so much fun trying this at home. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.